Good morning. Again, let's turn this off. Some of the things you tend not to see in my videos are things like this. You might occasionally see them. It's an old sponge. This was dry, but it would normally be moist. And an old Tupperware tub. Now, the sponge has a number of uses, obviously cleaning the group, wiping up, but also putting on the counter or holding under a spouted portafilter. My God, spouted portafilters, they drip when you take them off. So you've just made a coffee, you've ground it up, you've made a coffee. Just one of the other things here, take your portafilter out. You might find it drips, put it on the counter. Now I'm going to put it on the counter on the sponge. The next thing is cleaning the group, and a lot of times I see people just running the water through the group or using some specialised group brush thing where they're going to flush loads of water, and that's sort of great, except some people are buying bottled water, they don't have RO water. Some machines have small drip trays. Let's show you a machine with a small drip tray. Yeah, that's got a tiny drip tray. You start cleaning it out with water and you'd be forever emptying the drip tray. So what I do, I use a Tupperware tray. I have for years, yeah. And I'll sit there and I'll try and show you this with the camera there. I'll run the water out into the tray and I'll clean the underside of the group with the group brush. Okay, and then I'll stop. I don't want to run too much water out. Then I'll just use this water in the tray. I'll go around the gasket groove with a little bit of water, just getting any particles out of the 61 gasket groove. And then I'll take this to the sink. I won't let it go in the tray. And what I'll do, the portafilter will follow me to the sink with this. I'll use that water to rinse the portafilter out. Let's just knock that out. We'll do that quickly. So there's your portafilter knocked out, ready to go and be rinsed out with that from the sink. If you're going to make another coffee, get yourself a paintbrush, because actually I'm just going to brush this out with a paintbrush. I can't do it here because it'll make too much mess, but I'm going to do it over the sink. That quick brush with a paintbrush keeps the inside clean enough to make another coffee, and it's nice and dry and it's still hot. But of course, if you're going to lock it back in the portafilter and not make a coffee for an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, whatever, take it with this tray of water, rinse it out, then bring it back, which I'm going to do now. Now, although I'm rinsing it out with the water from the tray, I'll use some cold, clean water from the kitchen tap and my finger to properly clean out the inside of the portafilter. I'll put the tray down, I'll put the portafilter back. This has been already dried, and I'll put my sponge back. And often, you don't see it in the photos or my videos, but this is how I leave my machines. The only thing dripping is onto the sponge and the Tupperware tray. But this actually will help your cleaning routine. You'll get a lot less water in your drip tray. A lot easier. It's just another thing that I've been doing, I don't know, nearly 15 years. Thank you.